Welcome back to While You Are There. Did you know that the stunning coastline of Big Sur is home to some of the most photographed spots in the world? Big Sur is one of the most incredibly scenic drives in the USA. This undeveloped gem along the California coast is unbelievably beautiful and full of adventure. Big Sur encompasses roughly the area between San Simeon and the Carmel Highlands along Highway 1. Though the boundaries are not fixed, many people consider Malpaso Creek the northernmost point of Big Sur, and Ragged Point the southernmost entrance. But the big question is, does it really live up to all the hype? Today, we're diving into the breathtaking landscapes of Big Sur, California. Experience the breathtaking beauty of Big Sur with ease. Simply hop in your car and follow the scenic coastal drive, only 2.5 hours south from San Francisco International Airport. Discover the beauty of Big Sur from April to October when the weather is at its nicest. With plenty of sunny days and gorgeous views, this is the perfect time to explore. Don't miss out on the most popular season for this idyllic destination. Enjoy stunning views, charming towns, and unforgettable stops along the way. This place is often hailed as a must-visit destination for any nature lover, with dramatic cliffs that plunge into the ocean and views that are nothing short of spectacular. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Get the full Big Sur experience with a stop at the iconic Bixby Bridge. One of the most photographed spots in the area, this stop is a must for any Big Sur road trip. Located just a short 15 miles south of Carmel by the sea. Take in the breathtaking coastal scenery and experience the wonder of Big Sur. To experience the breathtaking sunset at Bixby Bridge, pull off at the ideal turnout from the south end of the bridge to witness a mesmerizing view. Beat the summer traffic by visiting in the early morning. You won't want to miss this must-see destination. Next, discover the hidden gem of Pfeiffer Beach, where the sand turns a mesmerizing shade of purple after a refreshing rain. Escape the crowds and be awed by the natural wonder of this rare sight. Embrace the unexpected and experience this breathtaking beach for yourself. Unwind and marvel at the stunning keyhole and rock formations of this beach. Spend hours exploring the amazing views and take in the natural beauty, the perfect spot to relax and rejuvenate. Experience the breathtaking beauty of Ragged Point. This iconic destination boasts stunning coastal views and endless opportunities for outdoor adventure. Immerse yourself in nature and recharge your soul with each visit. Unlock your sense of wonder and create unforgettable memories in this enchanting paradise. Experience the stunning beauty of Big Sur with a visit to McWay Falls. McWay Falls is one of the most photographed waterfalls in all of the United States. Upon visiting, you will quickly see why. This must-see attraction will take your breath away with its 80-foot waterfall and picturesque surroundings. Experience absolute paradise with a short 10-minute walk to a breathtaking waterfall cascading into the Pacific Ocean's emerald waters. Admire blooming orchids and wildflowers along the way. Discover the beauty of McWay Falls without the strenuous hike, perfect for a peaceful stroll. Don't miss out on this iconic stop on your Big Sur getaway. There are also some incredible hiking trails. Discover hidden gems at Limekiln State Park on your Big Sur getaway. Hike through stunning redwood forests to breathtaking waterfalls and enjoy beach access. Perfect for nature lovers seeking adventure and tranquility. Don't miss out on this must-see destination. Experience a perfect day outdoors with versatile and comfortable trails. No need to spend all day hiking, as the trails are designed to be easy and convenient. Don't forget to bring a sweater in case the temperature is cooler and take a cool and refreshing breaks in the shade along the way. Enjoy nature without breaking a sweat, literally. Experience the natural beauty and exhilaration of the Tan Bark Trail. This gentle climb through verdant forests leads to stunning views at the summit. Explore at your own pace and take in the lush surroundings. A must-do for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Explore the beauty of nature on the Ewaldson Trail. This 5-mile loop features a lush, green landscape and the option to hike to a stunning waterfall. Explore the breathtaking views and natural wonders of Andrew Malera State Park. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this coastal gem and experience nature in its purest form. With miles of scenic trails and diverse wildlife, this is the perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the stunning beauty of nature with diverse trails along the Big Sur River and the scenic coast. Let the sound of the river and the majestic views inspire your outdoor adventure. Discover the beauty of Big Sur's largest beach, Sand Dollar Beach. With plenty of space to relax and unwind, this sandy paradise is perfect for a day of sun and surf. But be sure to check the tide schedule, as high tide can change the landscape. Sand Dollar Beach. With its soft, powdery sand and crystal clear water, is perfect for relaxing and soaking up the sun. Explore the nearby rocks during low tide and discover mussels, crabs, sea anemones, and kelp beds. Stay for sunset and take in the epic scenery of the rock formations on the beach. Enjoy the cool, refreshing water while taking in the stunning views. It's the ultimate paradise for beach lovers. Experience the magic and inspiration of the Henry Miller Memorial Library, a must-visit for all art and music enthusiasts. This quaint venue has hosted famous musicians and is steeped in history of legendary poets. Immerse yourself in the serene atmosphere and discover why this unique location has captured the hearts of visitors. Surrounded by nature and dedicated to the arts, the library offers a one-of-a-kind experience that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and inspired. Immerse yourself in a unique and inspiring experience. Embark on a sensory journey to relax and rejuvenate at the magical Esalen Hot Springs. This natural hot spring boasts healing minerals and breathtaking views. Unwind and connect with nature in this unique experience. Experience the wonders of the ocean at Partington Cove. Discover hidden marine life up close and learn about their unique habitats. This one-of-a-kind adventure will leave you feeling connected to nature and inspired to protect our oceans. Don't miss out on this unforgettable experience. Discover the best dining experiences in Big Sur. Savor the delectable variety of food and drinks offered throughout the area. From charming cafes to exquisite restaurants, find your perfect spot for a delicious meal. Don't miss out on the incredible culinary options available to you in Big Sur. You won't be disappointed. So, after exploring all that Big Sur has to offer, I can confidently say it does live up to the hype. Discover the breathtaking beauty of this rugged and lush region on our road trip. From hiking to waterfalls, beaches to scenic overlooks, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Experience the thrill of adventure and be captivated by the stunning sights along the way. If you're considering a visit, just make sure you plan ahead and embrace the adventure. Cell phone service is extremely limited in Big Sur. Make sure you download any maps or guides before you go. Stay safe while capturing stunning photos at designated pullouts on this scenic and winding road. Don't risk crossing on foot and miss any of the incredible views. The highway has many twists and turns along a cliff, with most parts being one lane in either direction. Drivers must be extra careful when pulling over. To drive Big Sur takes approximately 3 hours, but allow much more time due to the many stops you will want to make and amazing views to see. Driving from the north to the south is the ideal way to see Big Sur, since that puts you on the ocean side of the highway, and it is easier to pull off to stop at overlooks and destinations along the way. Big Sur's fog season typically runs from late spring to early fall, peaking in July and August. However, the fog can occur outside of these months as well. I have included a link to some amazing once-in-a-lifetime adventures and attractions for your own personal customized getaway in the description below. Check it out. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps me bring you more exciting adventures. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.